Hello, young writers of the virtual world.
As you develop into an experienced writer, you must recognize not to be manipulated by those skilled in the art of rhetoric.
But you must become skilled through becoming the master of fallacies.
The fallacy of the day is
the slippery slope fallacy. The slippery slope is a commonly used fallacy in which someone falsely asserts the argument that one event must lead to a series of other extreme hypothetical events. Each of the following events are so extreme that by the end of the series of hypothetical events, where each step is completely irrelevant to the original argument. This fallacy usually takes on the format of, if A happens, then B, then C, and the next thing you know, X. The slippery slope fallacy should not be mistaken for the post hoc ergo propter hoc fallacy because it refers to the idea that because two events happen in succession, the former causes the latter.
As you try to expand your writing, it is important for you to avoid using this in your attempts of persuasion altogether. The problem with the slippery slope is that through introducing the hypothetical scenarios, it avoids the true issue at hand through the attempt of justifying a point with the uses of improbable and exaggerated outcomes.
You should really stop procrastinating on all your assignments.
Why?
When you procrastinate, then you're going to fall behind. Then you'll fail your class. And you won't graduate high school, and the next thing you know, you'll be living in your parents' basement for the rest of your life.
Here, we can see that the individual took the small issue of procrastination and linked it to a series of over-exaggerated events that are highly unlikely to seriously occur. However, this does not give the arguer any validity, since the point made only targets emotion rather than any logical explanation as to why it is not good to procrastinate.
The media often uses this fallacy in advertisements to make a quick and lasting point that will stick in the memory of their audience. However, these are also very often used in common day conversations as well. It is important for us to understand the invalidity of the use of these because in essence, we are unfairly tainting the argument made. However, used with a purpose, it can persuade others to agree with your argument and disarray from theirs.
Now you can take this knowledge and use it with a purpose. You are now a master of the slippery slope fallacy.